this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another How to Create Upcycled Puppets! Alright! Getting us all excited because I have somebody here that you might know. However, he's in kind of a mood right now. So let me go ahead and I'm going to turn the little thing on here and see what he does. Ready? Here's Santa Claus.
Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a...
What?
And Ma in her kerchief, and I in my
Hang on.
and just settled down to take a wig.
Whoa!
It's beginning to smell a lot like Christmas.
What? That's not Santa Claus that I know.
Do you hear what I hear?
What? A flatulating Santa Claus? Wow. What would they think of next?
I guess it's not going to be a silent night after all.
Oh, that's bad. That's bad. Let's see if he does anything else other than... No, that's it.
Twas the night before Christmas. Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house. Twas the night before
It's the Christmas wrap.
and all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a...
What? Yeah, hold on a second here. I think we're done with that, but you know what? Rather than keep him as the flatulating Santa Claus, I think we need to make him a standard Santa Claus. In fact, here's the little battery pack here that just, it really didn't fit inside. Yeah. So I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to actually remove this. I have now, I brought it out. Here it is. I have my seam ripper here. If you were watching one of my episodes from a couple of days ago, you'll notice that I was without my seam ripper. I have it now. Okay. So we're going to open them up and we're going to remove the flatulating part there. It's a little fancier sounding than the farting Santa. It could be the tooting Santa. Could be the musical Santa. Could be the bean-eating Santa, because beans are the magical musical fruit. Let's see here. What do we got? We've got a little box inside. And this might be an easy one here. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can remove that mechanism in one piece. Oh, wouldn't this be great to have a Santa puppet for some of my seasonal videos? If I'm doing a Christmas themed puppet show, then we could have this Santa as the Christmas themed Santa. Oh boy, I'll tell you what. I don't know if that's going to work. I think, oh, that figures. There's some sort, oh, that's the Velcro there. Okay. I think maybe I need to rip the seam down the side. That's also what we could call the ripping Santa. Let's see here. Hold on. Let's get this right there. I want to try and preserve the side of this little guy here. You go right over here to this side. Just like that. Okay. This will give us a little more room to work the little mechanism out. These seam rippers are great because once you get it started, all you're doing is catching those little loops of thread, and then it just zips right out. Okay, so here we go. Just like that. I still might need to remove some more. Hold on. Come on. Okay. So there's part of it. There was enough room. Good. Good, good, good. Okay, now this is just